Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Naya's Diary. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I use okra juice or okra water in detangling my hair, and also some of the products I use to slick my 4C stubborn natural hair. So you guys should grab your seat as we get started. And yeah guys, this is the okra water which I'm going to be using today for my hair. I already have a video on how to make okra juice or okra water. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description box for those who don't know how to make okra water or okra juice. And yeah, okra water is very beneficial to the hair, to the skin. For this purpose, I'm going to be using this okra water for detangling, and also okra water is good for massive hair growth. When using okra juice or okra water for detangling or for massive hair growth, please make sure you massage it thoroughly into your scalp and then allow it for some time before washing it out. After massaging the okra juice into your hair, next I'm going to be using a bonnet to cover my hair for at least 50 minutes to 1 hour before combing it out. Wow, look at how soft my hair is. Okra water is very helpful when it comes to massive hair growth and also for detangling, but for this purpose I'm going to be using this okra water for detangling of my hair, especially those that have stubborn natural hair like me. So okra water is very helpful because it allows you run your comb freely without any stress. After combing my hair out, next I'm going to be washing the hair behind cameras, and also I'm going to be using a very warm water for that. And yeah guys, another helpful tips about this okra water is that it makes your hair very soft. When you're done washing it out, it makes your hair very soft and easy to comb. I'm supposed to allow the hair to dry by itself, but since I'm going to be slicking the hair, I'm going to be using a hand dryer to dry the hair faster. So guys, these are some of the products I'm going to be using for the slicking, moisturizing and oiling of my scalp. After I'm done slicking the hair, next I'm going to be using a hair tie to secure the hair till it dries up. My hair is all dried up and is slicked to perfection, and also my makeup is ready. For this look, I'm going to be using the Bouncy Kinky from Expression Collections, and this is color black. This hair looks so lovely, from the texture to the length to the bouncing. Like, this hair looks so good, it looks so lovely. And there guys, this is not a paid advert, but if you want to braid your hair using a kinky, please go ahead and try this particular one from Expression Collections. The hair is really nice and soft and wavy. And yeah, I'm going to be securing this hair with a rubber band or a hair rougher, which will serve as a holder for the hair. Finally, it's time for me to place the false Bouncy Kinky on my slicked natural hair. After placing the Bouncy Kinky on my hair, I'm going to be taking a strand from the hair and wrap it around the bun. Finally, I'm done with the hair. Oh my gosh, this hair looks so good on me. Ooh. So guys, this is officially the end of this video, and if you really enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And also, in another subsequent videos to come, I'm going to show you guys what I use to take out dandruff from my hair. And also, if you've not watched my okra water video or my food video, please go ahead and do so. I promise you'll love the content. Go ahead and do so and support your girl by subscribing and watching. And also, see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.